as we'll see in the next videos. So take your time renaming each body part. Once you're done with that, create a new empty game object. Call it player and place it roughly at the center of the character. Then grab all the character's body parts in the hierarchy and drag them in that newly made object. This way, when we move the player empty game object, the whole character will move with it, since they're now children of that empty game object. This player empty game object basically acts as the root of our character. All components will be added to it, such as scripts and colliders. Awesome. And I'll drag my head inside the body. In other words, I'll parent the head to the body. This way, when I move or rotate my body, the head will move and rotate with it, which is exactly what we want. I'll also parent the arms to the body so that they move, rotate, and scale with it too. Of course, the eyes look a little strange not following and rotating with the head, so I'll make sure to parent those to the head. As for the legs, I'll just leave them parented to the player root empty game object, because I don't want them moving, rotating, or scaling with anything else. And that is basically all you need to do to rig your game characters. Just parent various body parts to other body parts, so that when you move, rotate, or scale one, the other will do the same thing. A basic humanoid character, for example, will almost always have a hierarchy that looks like this. Now hopefully all that is clear. Of course, with practice, this whole process will become second nature to you. You'll be able to create characters, import them into Unity, and rig them easily and fast. Alright, our character is now ready to be animated. Something will begin in the next video. Cheers!